Hey, look at this. This is a bottle. It's a bottle full of water. Water that you will drink, that you will survive on. Water, the liquid of life. Something that you can drink and quench your thirst. Something that goes down easily. Something that you will drink too, my baby. Good, isn't? The water, the liquid of life. Something that gives you power, energy. Something that makes you awesome. Drink more, baby. Drink more of this powerful water. This elixir of life. And there you have it, folks. Water in a Gatorade bottle.